I bought this low noise amplifier from Banggood. This is the unit right here, this one. And it comes in this little box. So let's take it out of the box. There's the barcode, the SKU number. It's got a USB-C connector for charging on this side, on-off switch on this side. We turn it on. No indicator light that says it's turned on. So let's make sure it's charged up. I'll plug it in. I'll wait for it to charge. There it is. It started out orange, and as it gets charged up, you'll see it change color. So we'll just wait for it. There it goes, changing color, turning green. Okay, so it's fully charged. Pull the charger out. Turn it around, turn it on. Nothing. No indicator light that says it's on. So turn it on, turn it off. Let's make sure it focuses for you. On, no light, no operation.